Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopton, South Birmingham. Loire Blue, low mileage, Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel portfolio, automatic, start-stop, 51,000 miles, 2015, ivory and truffle leather. Okay, cam belt replaced very recently and serviced very recently. So just that cam belt and water pump. Notice it's got lovely matching Bridgestone tyres all round. Condition of this car is superb. Inside, one of the nicest we've seen for a long time. So portfolio, daytime running lights, front park sensors, headlamp washers, 19-inch CAVELLA alloy wheels, Bridgestone tyres, reverse camera, rear park sensors, boot liner, space saver alloy spare wheel, lovely wheels, lovely tyres, keyless entry, keyless start, got the squares on the door handles, and yes, we have blind spot monitoring built into the wing mirrors. All ivory and truffle with rosewood, Jaguar fitted carpet mats with the contrasting edges, seats, sports, comfort, memory, heated, lovely. Nice leather steering wheel, obviously satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth. Look at how nice those buttons are. Immaculate. Absolutely immaculate. Same in the back, like it's never been sat in. But beautiful. Everywhere you look. 51,000 miles from new. Just had the cam belt and water pump replaced. Load liner in the boot. 60-40 split rear seats with the little yellow handles up under there for your through load facility. Obviously very nice underneath the boot mat. Spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, alloy wheel locking key, etc. Toolkit all present and correct. This side of the vehicle as well, equally nice. Lovely wheels, lovely tyres. CAVELLA alloy wheels, Bridgestone tyres. The price of this car is at 9,995. Got two remote keys in lovely condition, not tatted, falling apart. Obviously being very well looked after. Door cards in beautiful condition. Memories down there for the driver's seat. Electric mirrors, heated mirrors, folding mirrors. Leather in good condition. Steering wheel and buttons like brand new. 51,825 or 26 miles on the clock. Lovely, big, bright reverse camera, nice and clear. Lovely car, £9,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can look through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.